Hello everyone, I am Siddhi and you are watching Siddhi's Kitchen YouTube channel. So today I am preparing stuffed brinjal, that is bharli wangi. For that I have taken around 300 grams of brinjal over here. I have washed them and cut them. I have kept a little stem as the most of the taste is in the stem. Then I have cut them into 4 halves. Later on, heat a pan and roast 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Dry roast poppy seeds till they are light brown. After they are done, keep them aside. In the same pan, take around 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Add 1 javitri, 1½ of cinnamon, 4 cloves, and 3 bay leaves. Fry them. Also add 3 to 4 dry red chillies to it. Roast them for some time. After they turn little golden brown, remove them and let them cool. Add around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well. Also add around 2 medium sized finely chopped onion. Fry them till they get golden brown. When onion turns golden brown, add 1 cup of grated dry coconut to it. Saute well and roast till the coconut gets golden brown. After coconut get golden brown, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Mix well and roast them for some time. After roasting, keep the flame off, let it cool and grind them into fine paste. After grinding, add around 5 teaspoons of groundnut powder, salt for taste, mix well. Also add some coriander leaves and our stuffing is ready. Now fill this stuffing in all the brinjals. Later on, heat a pan and take around 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. When oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And let them splutter. Add all the brinjals to it. Saute. And put all the remaining stuffing in the pan. Mix them well. Cover it and cook it around 10 minutes. After cooking around 10 minutes, add around half cup of water. Mix well. Put some more water if required. Close the lid and cook it around 12 minutes more. After 12 minutes, just check. The brinjals are almost cooked. Add coriander leaves and cook it for some more time. And our stuffed brinjals are ready. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.